Trevor, as the incoming director, what are you most excited about for this summer?
Well, Craig, there's a couple things. I'm really excited to be helping get even more kids just comfortable behind the wheel. We'll be introducing some of our science, technology, engineering, and mathematics activities that we're putting in.
Porsche
Today.
It's called the 992.
992.
That's the model.
Are there specific designations for those numbers, or do they just go willy-nilly and arbitrary?
It's a generational number. It's fairly arbitrary. So the last one is 991.
And the 911 is just really old?
No, 911 is the model, but 991 and 992 are generational names. But what do you think came before 991? She's all yours.
Get ready for summer 2019! Make sure to sign up before January 31st!